Welcome to DelftStack. In this video, I will show you how to remove the background of an image in Canva using a simple method. First, open your Canva project. Upload your image by clicking on Uploads, or just drag and drop the photo into your design. Next, click on the image to select it. After selecting, go to the top toolbar and click on Edit Photo. In some versions, this may appear as Edit Image. Now look for the option called BG Remover or Background Remover under the Effects section. Click on it and Canva will automatically remove the background from your image. This process usually takes a few seconds. Once the background is removed, you can adjust the result if needed. Use the Erase or Restore tools to fix any areas that were not processed correctly. If you are using the free version and do not see the background remover option, you can use a third-party background remover tool online. After removing the background there, download the image with a transparent background and upload it back into Canva. Thanks for watching.